Yakhchāl Persian combines yak ice and cholpit, referring to an ancient Persian cooler. By 400 BC, Persian engineers mastered the art of making and storing ice even in desert conditions. Early uses, originally used to produce and store ice during winter, yakhchāls played an essential role in ancient Persian society, providing cold storage for food and preserving perishable items. Techniques spread through the Persian Empire and were adopted in various forms across the Middle East. Engineering of the yakhchāl. 1. Design of the structure. Dome shape. The yakhchāl's dome is a recognizable feature, rising above ground with an underground pit. The dome acted as a protective barrier from external heat, while the underground portion kept ice insulated, often 15 meters in height and up to 6 meters deep. 2. Materials used. Saruj insulation. A special mixture of clay, sand, lime, egg whites, goat hair, and ash formed the walls. This combination was critical for insulating the ice and making the structure impermeable to heat. 3. Cooling mechanism. Evaporative cooling. Yakhchāls relied on evaporative cooling. Water trickling down the dome evaporated in the dry desert air, lowering the temperature inside. Ice production. In winter, water was channeled into shallow pools near the yakhchāl. The cold night air would freeze the water and the ice was stored inside the yakhchāl. The science behind yakhchāl. Thermodynamics. The yakhchāl's design utilized basic principles of thermodynamics. Cold air would sink into the underground pit, displacing warm air and keeping the ice cool. Heat resistance. The thick walls prevented heat from penetrating the yakhchāl, preserving ice even during the summer heat. Practical applications in ancient Persia. Ice storage. The yakhchāl could store large quantities of ice through the hot summers, ensuring a steady supply of cool water and other perishable goods. Food preservation. Besides ice, the yakhchāl was used to store fruits, vegetables, and dairy products in the desert environment. Cultural and architectural impact. Symbol of Persian engineering, the yakhchāl reflects Persian ingenuity in architecture, a sustainable and efficient cooling system long before modern refrigeration. Influence on later technologies. The concepts of evaporative cooling and insulation seen in yakhchāls informed future developments in cooling technology, from desert coolers to modern refrigeration. Decline and legacy. Introduction of modern refrigeration. With the advent of electricity and modern refrigeration systems, yakhchāls fell out of use. Preservation of heritage. Today, several yakhchāls remain intact, symbolizing the innovation of ancient Persia. Many of these structures are protected as part of Iran's cultural heritage. The yakhchāl stands as a testament to ancient Persian knowledge of physics, engineering, and environmental adaptation. Even today, it provides insight into sustainable architectural practices.